And so what are we doing on me today?
Dermal Infusion.
Dermal Infusion, okay.
Yeah.
This is crazy.
Hello, and welcome back to Ashley You Life. In today's class, we're gonna go to a spa, and if you can believe it or not, I'm gonna get my first facial. Now, I don't know why I've never gotten one before. It's not that I don't want to, it's just that I just never have. It's just not something in my everyday routine or my weekly routine or my monthly routine. So let me tell you how this came about. At the country club I work at, I get to plan fun events. So I had this spa contact me this week, and they're really close by, and they wanted to see if I wanted to do like some kind of collaboration. And then it got me thinking, because the week before, I got an email from a yoga studio nearby that kind of said the same thing. And so I was like, oh my gosh, my wheels started turning, and I was like, what if I can make like a super fun event where you come and you start off with like a little bit of yoga, and then, you know, you get to talk about facials, and then from there I'm like, ooh, maybe I can get like a workout clothing store to come and like sell their clothes, and then maybe I can get who knows what, but I would have like fun brunch things, and I would have like fun parfaits, and of course champagne, and so it'd be like a little workout kind of thing. You know, the workout places would be able to like maybe perhaps give discounts to the ladies for a little bit of time just to get them in their studios. Same thing for the facial people. I think they said they might do an example on someone. Just super fun. And so we do like raffles, of course, and you could win things. I don't have it fully planned out right now, but those are my ideas, and that's kind of what I'm thinking about. So you can kind of see where I'm going, and I think it's gonna be so much fun. So anyways, the spa has invited me out to come check out their facility so I could see it and know that it's like, you know, appropriate for my members and that they would like it. And they're also offering me a free service. I'm excited, and we're gonna go check it out, and then hopefully we can plan a really fun event together. So I just thought I would take you along, just in case you've never done a facial either and you're like, is it worth it? I'll let you know if it was worth it, or if I like it, or what I think about it. I have no idea at this moment. Okay, we're here. Let's go. Yeah, give me a little tour.
This is the injection room.
Oh.
So it's a little sterile right now, but not as fun.
Okay.
And then this is the consultation room.
Oh, super cute.
So yeah.
You know I love a good ring light.
Right? I know, gotta get that selfie on. And then this is our laser room.
Wow.
So laser hair removal,
Amazing.
photo facial, like IPL.
That is amazing.
And then last room is the body treatments. Body.
So like,
So we have two. So Vivella Shape, and then there's endermology, which is for cellulite.
Mm-hmm.
And then Vivella Shape is to like contour, fat, you know, dissolving.
FDA approved
Yeah.
for cellulite, and then also FDA approved for permanent fat destruction. So
Wow.
this
The
one,
power and then the Vivella Shape
exactly.
3.
This destroys fat permanently, and then this one tightens and smooths out the cellulite.
And it's ultrasound technology, correct?
The
fat, yeah, that one.
Very
is.
cool.
So it's like, you know, Cool Sculpting does
Yeah.
the freezing. These ones are through heat.
Oh.
Yeah, it's really comfortable actually. We filmed
very
a
comfortable.
patient getting it done, the fat removal one, and she was like, it feels good.
It feels like
Oh,
a
really?
phone
She was like,
vibrating
it
on
feels
the-
like nice.
Nice. And it's warm?
It's warm.
I'd probably love that.
bit-
I'm obsessed with like
it's a
seat
little bit
warmers
yeah,
and
it's like warm and just
Yeah.
like a massage. It's kind of like, yeah.
versus really freezing the fat.
Yeah.
And then there's a lot of pain.
A lot of people
affiliated
are
when you
numb
come
from
from-
Cool Sculpting for like a month.
That's what they said. I know a girl who did it, and she said the same thing. She's like, I can't really feel.
Exactly, because
Yeah.
it kills the nerve ending. It's
Yeah.
so cold. So this one, there's no damage.
It's
You
so
can go to work
nice.
in the next right afterwards.
Yeah.
A little bit of warm. You can
Some
fall
people
asleep.
think it's relaxing, yeah.
And meanwhile, because it's ultrasound, it's
Yeah.
focused ultrasound, which you and I are used to ultrasound.
Yeah.
So it just vibrates the cells, breaks them apart, and leaks out all the fat.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
Really cool.
Very good
Cool.
technology. Alrighty.
And so what are we doing on me today?
Dermal Infusion.
Dermal Infusion. Okay.
Yeah.
This is crazy.
I know. So Dermal Infusion, ultra hydrating serum. It's going to do all 3 things at once. So extract, exfoliate, and infuse the serum so your pores are like as open as they'll be when the serum deposits.
Okay.
So you're going to get a nice, beautiful glow for probably about 72 hours after the treatment. Tomorrow will be like the best day.
Oh my gosh, I'm
You'll
so
wake
excited.
up plump, hydrated, glowing.
I am stoked.
And the best part is after the treatment, this jar will be full of
oh gosh,
all of your, it's called, we call it the skin waste jar.
Oh my gosh,
so
I'm so
you'll get to take a
nervous.
picture with it and see all the floaties.
Oh, I'll for sure take a picture.
We will
with it.
know
It's
the
the
last
most
time
sad-
you exfoliated skin.
I told you
It's gonna be obvious.
It's gonna be never because this is my first
It's
time.
the most satisfying part of the facial.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
School, and I gotta talk to Sandy. I have go. Oh,
I know.
I just wanted to show him my cool headband.
you feel okay?
Mm-hmm.
How does it feel?
Actually feels good. I don't mind it whatsoever. Great.
So sometimes when we do lips, it'll plump your lips as if you got like a filler, but it's only very temporary because of the vacuum. Volumizes the skin by 70%. Come on.
This makes me nervous.
See how dense?
Yeah.
You can't see through. That is
Yeah.
all dead skin.
Yeah.
That's all
Wow.
skin that needs, and it's still, and I wouldn't even get all of it because I went a little bit smooth on you.
Yeah.
So a lot of oil, dead skin. Do you see the powder? Dead skin, oil, dirt, makeup that was in the pores. That's why it's colored because everything's clear that we use. So this has a tint to it.
Wow.
But do you see how much powder is in there?
I do. It's crazy. Well, like I said, I've never done this before, so
That was all
Yeah.
skin that was clogging your pores. If you
Wow.
put any makeup or if you put any serums, it wasn't coming through because
well, thank you for getting all that off of me. So my skin feels like super smooth. It feels lighter. She just asked me if my skin feels lighter. I'm like, yes, my skin feels lighter. So I am a little bit red. I have more of a sensitive skin, but she said it'll go down in the next hour or so. So it feels really good though. I might like look like a crazy person right now, but my like skin feels really good. Okay, so I am back. Man, it just felt so good. Little massage, little treatment. Oh, it was so good. I did not know I was gonna enjoy it so much. And also, like, ew, my skin was so dirty and I didn't even know it. And I cleanse my face every night and I wash it every night. And I think it's worth it to do this every once in a while. Now, Mary, who is the one who did my facial, she said normally this costs about $180 or so, but it's not something you need to get done like every week or every 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks is recommended if you're really trying to work with bad acne, but like me, I don't really have that much of a problem. I am working with like a healing issue right here. It was like a little scab, so that kind of got a little bit more red with the treatment, but it should go down. But she said once a month is, you know, good. And I feel like, hey, your skin might be worth it because you gotta live with it for the rest of your life, right? But I feel like, doesn't my face just like kind of just like look more glowy and alive? I mean, even though it does have a lot of redness right now just because I just got it done, I don't know, it just seems like super fresh. So just to know that I got that much dirt and whatever out of my skin just makes me so happy. Like I almost don't even want to put any makeup on ever again. No, I'm just kidding. Of course I do. You know what I mean? You want the freshness to last as long as possible. So she said I should even see better results tomorrow and over the next few days. So I'm gonna keep an eye out for that. But yeah, this is definitely something I'm excited to bring to my members. We talked about the event a little bit more and things that they're gonna bring to the table, and they also had some other ideas for vendors that we could bring just to make it a really fun health and wellness event is kind of what we're going for, and I think that's super fun. So I'm really excited about this. If you're interested in this spa and you kind of want to get this done and you do live in the Orange County area, I'll leave the information down below for you. She's super sweet. Her name is Mary. Just tell her I sent you. I told her I was making this little video. I'm sure she would love to have you. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. And if you don't live in Orange County, I'm sure you can find it somewhere around you, but just make sure to like read reviews and do your research before you go and check out pricing and stuff. I hope this was helpful. I am so stoked that I did this. So before you go and get this done, make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. Man, man, it was just such a good day, and I had such a fun experience with them. They were super sweet, super nice, not pushy at all, just very much informative. Oh gosh, they were so informative. And my skin is a little different, as I have learned. I am like, what did they say? I guess my skin is, I think they said 99.9% of people don't have your skin type. I guess most people get hyperpigmentation, and I get hypopigmentation. I think that's right. Anyways, whatever it is, I'm the opposite of most people ever. So she was super helpful and is gonna help me with this like a little bit of scarring that I have, and I'm excited. I loved it so much. Highly recommend it if you've never done it before. I mean, get all that dirt out of your skin. I'm really glad I did. And hey, if you're new to my channel, I do hair, makeup, and life hack classes weekly. So if that's something you're interested in, please do make sure to hit that subscribe button, because that lets you know when I upload a new class. See you soon.